This is the survey which we have conducted in Karnataka since 1930. After 1931, this socio-economic survey is not conducted in the India. Mr. Sidramaya ji has appointed the committee, backward class permanent committee. He has given opportunity, giving 160,000 rupees and with a clear mandate for them. They have 1 crore 60,000 people have conducted the survey. The door-to-door survey has been conducted with the 55 questionnaire. It has completed and is tabulated by BEL, and it has been submitted to the government. Sidramaya ji and DK Shivakumar, they have accepted it. We are pressurizing it to release to the people, and it must be taken into consideration, because the Supreme Court has questioned us how you are giving the socio-economic programs to the people. What is data you are having with you? This is the basic data we are getting. Through this, we are going to give program to the people. This type of survey never had in Karnataka. This is the survey first time we have conducted. That too with, I have already told you, with the 1 crore 60,000 people. They are not Vakliga, Lingayat, Kurba or Harijan. It is the people of Karnataka who have conducted. That too educated teachers and all. Those people, they won't do all nonsense here. They have done their work satisfactorily. How can we question them, their job? It is the DCs are the supervisors, and it is announced in 2-3 times in media, and also we have given sufficient time for everybody. And if they have got any objection, let them give it to the next commission or before they present this thing also. This is not the judgment. This is just a commission report. It has one thing we won't say it is 100%, but the survey is conducted 2015 based on the central survey of 2011. That time, what was our population? Our population was 6 crore and 5,000 or something. Now, how much it has gone? Every 2% is expression is always there. The basic this thing we will got. There are so many unrepresented communities have come up this time. Social survey means only, sample survey means only some people will come in that. But this is